Good morning to you all. This is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, July 9th. Our key points are going to be very consistent with yesterday's. We'll see a warming trend with extreme heat this week. Our lower elevations will observe daytime highs running in the upper 90s to around 105 degrees from Wednesday through Saturday. Otherwise, dry conditions with no precipitation forecast. And looking ahead, breezier winds expected for Thursday with slight chances for dry thunderstorms heading into the weekend. Here's a current look at satellite imagery, clear skies overhead, and that's going to be the case throughout the week. The only exception to that could be some afternoon cumulus, especially forming near our borders with Montana and Wyoming, but plenty of sunshine throughout the week. Our weather risk outlook for the next several days, as you can see, heat is the big story, as well as the risks associated with that extreme heat. Today will actually be the first day that many of you will probably notice just how warm it's getting to be. Our forecast high temperatures for today are around 10 degrees above climatological norms for this time of year. And for tomorrow, another 5 or so degree increase on those forecast temperatures. That would put us in the 10 to 15 degree range above normal for this time of year. But it's just going to get worse after that. Many locations won't see their peak temperatures for the week until Friday or Saturday. So this is something to take very seriously. Yes, it's summertime. It's supposed to be hot. But in that 10 or 15 degree above normal range, it is going to be excessive heat, and we could be looking at breaking some all-time records. So please look out for yourself, plan for it, take precautions, look out for each other, especially vulnerable populations. Do what you can to keep each other safe. Aside from that, looking at breezier winds for Thursday, and this could mean near critical to critical fire conditions in certain locations, considering the breezier winds, high temperatures, very low humidity. Aside from that, heading into the weekend, maybe the potential for some dry thunderstorms as that monsoon moisture lifts north. Our watches and warnings. So we do have a heat advisory, at least a heat advisory across all of our lower elevations and valleys. The excessive heat warning for south of the Snake Plain and west of the Bear River Range. It is worth mentioning that portions of the lower Snake Plain may need to be upgraded into the excessive heat warning, but considering that wouldn't be until Friday or Saturday when temperatures are expected to be the hottest, we're going to continue to assess that in the days ahead, but do keep that in mind. Temperatures for today, like I said, around 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. I know Pocatello is right around 88 typically on average, and our forecast high for today is 97. Portions of the Eastern Magic Valley may even start to see triple digits. Our winds for today, this is the maximum including gust, so sustained winds will be much lighter, but generally all in all 15 miles per hour or less. And temperatures for tomorrow. So our lows will start to approach or exceed around 60 degrees in our lower elevations, and that's going to limit our overnight recovery potential. So that definitely plays into the risk associated with these temperatures. With limited overnight recovery, that's going to exacerbate heat risk potential. And for our highs for tomorrow, like I said, another 5 or so degree increase from today's forecast temperatures. So much more widespread, triple digits, and if not triple, approaching lots of 98s or warmer. And winds for tomorrow, they're going to be light like today. Our outlooks for the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, very widespread above normal temperatures favored. And for our area, for precipitation, near normal expected for the 6 to 10 day. And for the 8 to 14, still above normal is favored, and for precipitation, near normal is likely. So that's all we've got. Just to summarize, warming trend this week with excessive heat, lower elevations ranging the upper 90s to 105 degrees midweek through the weekend. Otherwise, dry conditions, no precipitation. Breezier winds on Thursday, so keep in mind those near critical to critical fire conditions considering our low humidities, and slight chances for dry thunderstorms heading into the weekend depending on if we can get some moisture lifted up north from the southwest. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We appreciate you listening. Do stay safe this week and hope you have a wonderful Tuesday.